Hi, my name is Wolfgang, and in this video I will show how to use the AND function in LibreOffice Calc. Please have a look at the table I prepared for you. Row 2 to row 4 each contain two values. We want to find out whether value A is smaller than, larger than, or equal to value B. For that, we will use the AND function. Let's get started. In C2 we enter equals to AND parenthesis A2 smaller than B2 parenthesis and hit enter. We get false because 23 is larger than 10, which is B. We pull down cell 2 over the next two rows to get the results. In row 3 the relation is correct and we get true, whereas in row 4 we get a false again. We do the same for the second condition, A is larger than B. In D2 we enter equals to AND parenthesis A2 larger than B2 parenthesis. This time we get a true in row 2 because 23 is larger than value B, which is 10. We get false in rows 3 and 4 because the relations don't agree. Lastly, we check for equality in E2. We enter equals to AND parenthesis A2 equals to B2 parenthesis, and we get false, false, and true in E4. This concludes our video about the AND function in LibreOffice Calc. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have questions or suggestions for this or other LibreOffice videos, let me know in the comments. I'm more than happy to answer all your contributions. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.